Another question you're going to get with hair systems is, should I use tape or glue? And the real answer is, it depends. Tape and liquid adhesives both work, but they're not the same. And I don't recommend treating every client the exact same way. If a client has never worn a hair system before, I usually like to start them out with tape. And my reason is simple. It's because tape is easier for me to use and the client. It comes pre-bonded, almost like double-sided tape. You can apply the tape, place the system, and move through the install a lot cleaner. For a new client, that makes the process a lot easier for them to understand. And for a new barber, it also makes the service easier to manage while you're still getting comfortable, right? So liquid adhesive is a little different. When you apply the liquid adhesive, it usually starts off white, then it has to dry clear. Once it's fully dry, you apply the system, and that dry time matters. If the adhesive does not dry and bind correctly to the scalp, you can run into some serious problems. So when the client sweats, gets hot, or gets the system wet, the adhesive can reactivate. And instead of staying tacky and bonded, it can start to turn white again, get slippery, and start moving. So that's when you get lifting, slipping, cleanup problems, and probably some really angry clients. So if that adhesive goes through the base and gets in the hair, I mean, that's a whole nother problem. So when you try to clean it, get it out, you can end up pulling a lot of hair out from the system, and that can cause premature shedding, shorten the lifespan of the unit. So for most new clients, I like to keep it simple. Start them out with tape, let them get used to wearing the system, let them understand the maintenance, let them see how it feels. Then if they want to try liquid adhesive later, you can test it. Some clients try tape first, then they try the liquid adhesive the next month, and they love the liquid better. Some clients stay with tape and never want to switch. That's why I never say one is always better than the other. It depends on the person. It depends on their lifestyle. It depends on how they sweat, how they take care of it, and what their preference is. If they don't got a preference yet, tape is usually a safer starting point because it's easier to apply, it's easier to clean during maintenance, and when you remove it, it usually comes off more like a strip instead of balling up like a liquid adhesive can. So that makes the monthly maintenance smoother, especially while you're still learning. Now, if a client has minor lifting, you can also teach them how to handle that properly. You don't want them panicking and pulling out the system or trying to fix it with random products. If needed, you can send them home with a small amount of the right adhesive, show them how to do a simple touch-up, and really make sure that they understand, that this is only for minor lifting. This isn't for them doing a full maintenance appointment. If the system is really lifting or dirty, breaking down, they need to come back in and let you service it the right way. So when you're deciding, between tape and glue, don't overcomplicate things. For new clients, start with tape unless there's a reason not to. And once they get comfortable, you can test liquid adhesives later. The goal is not to prove that one method is better. The goal is to find the method that works best for that client, keeps the system secure, and makes the maintenance easier for both of you.